All right, let's handle the ability to click on the left side and show that profile information on the right. As soon as we click, which is the event we want to look for, we're going to take this, use it as the next active user, and only show the active user on this right side here. We're going to need an active user. So we have our users array, we'll call active user. And that will automatically add this to our class. Now we're going to handle the click event, and we're going to get introduced to another template syntax. When one of these li tags gets clicked, we want to select the active user. Now the syntax for a structural directive in Angular is the star. The syntax to handle an event in Angular is parentheses. Also, valid HTML will handle the click event is equal to select user, and we'll pass in the user. Now you might start to think that this is a little crazy for syntax, but it's actually really neat when you can look at your application really quickly and see what is a structural directive, what is an event binding is what we call this, and we'll get introduced to another one which is called the property binding. And we'll talk a little bit more about the differences there. We're actually using the HTML events on these elements. We're not creating our brand new directives like we did in Angular 1 with ng-click. We're just handling the default click event from this li. We're watching for a click here. We need to handle that down in our class. We'll create select user, pass in the user. We'll now set the active user, this.activeUser, is equal to user. And while we're at it, let's console log just to see what's going on here. We can console log this.activeUser actually. We'll do that. When we click, we can see the object is Chris was clicked. And we'll see another one with what Nick's tweets was clicked and Holly was clicked on that final one. Now we're handling an event coming from our template, and we're handling it with a method on our class.